Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on MacBook. While PUBG Mobile does not have a native Mac OS version, you can still enjoy the game using specific software. This method involves using an Android emulator, which creates a virtual Android environment on your computer. It allows you to download and play the mobile game as if you were using an Android device. This setup greatly enhances your gameplay with a larger display and improved control options. Selecting the right emulator is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. BlueStacks is a very popular choice, widely recognized for its strong gaming optimizations and user-friendly interface. Nox Player is another excellent alternative, known for its stable performance and comprehensive keyboard mapping features. Both emulators are free to download and install, providing a reliable pathway to bring your favorite mobile games to the larger screen of your MacBook. Test both to see which one performs best for your specific system. Once you have chosen an emulator, navigate to its official website and download the Mac OS installation file. The file size is typically around 500 megabytes, so ensure you have a stable internet connection. After downloading, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click to start the installation. You might need to grant security permissions through your MacBook system settings to allow the installation of applications from unverified developers. This is a standard procedure and ensures the emulator can operate correctly. With your emulator successfully installed, open it to access the virtual Android environment. You will see a familiar interface that resembles an Android tablet. Find and click on the Google Play Store icon. You will be prompted to sign in with your existing Google account or create a new one. This is essential for downloading apps. Once signed in, search for PUBG Mobile in the store and click Install. The game file size is usually around 2 gigabytes, so prepare for a short download time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.